buddy. Say hello to the Vlogmas people. Here's Percy. You have anything to say? No, you're just tired. Got it. All right, buddy. You need to go outside. Let's go outside. Well, hello. Happy December 1st, everyone. Here we are. We got a bunch of snow over the Thanksgiving weekend. The snowstorm came at the right time because my eldest son got out quickly before it started, and then my youngest went back to school yesterday after the roads were clear. Here we are. Percy, go potty. He's just hanging out right here, wondering how he's gonna do this. Oh my goodness. All right, you ready to come in? Okay, I have to share with you, I made the most delicious leftover soup with our turkey, or leftover turkey. I should say soup with our leftover turkey. It's a lemon rice chicken soup, and I just substituted the turkey with it, and it is so yummy. So this is like the third lunch I've had with it, but it's so good. I love soup for lunch. I will leave the recipe link in the description box of this video, but it is so yummy. It's got lots of lemon juice, onions, garlic, chicken broth, carrots, celery. But man, the lemon, it just tastes wonderful with this. I think you'll like it. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas 2025. My name is Rachel, Treehouse Fiber Arts. I'm so glad you are here, and I'm really excited to start Vlogmas again. This is my second year of doing Vlogmas. For those of you who don't know me and you've just come across my channel, back in 2016, I started a podcast called Treehouse Knits. And I did that for a few years. Then my friend Sue from Legacy Fiber Arts and I started a podcast which was kind of based around stitching and our knitting and all of our makes, called Floss Toss. And I've been doing that ever since. We are on a little hiatus, not on purpose, but I am so excited to be back at this channel doing Vlogmas this year. So this year I will be opening up Sue Legacy Fiber Arts Advent calendar, which I'm so excited about, as well as her 12 days of Christmas. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do that the 12 days leading up to Christmas or now. We'll find out. But anyways, I look forward to bringing you along to our family throughout the holidays. I am currently doing I'm doing a mystery knit along by Nina Gnandad Sather. She's a Norwegian knitter who has written a few books about mittens around Norway and socks, I believe, around Norway. I knit a ton of her socks back in, the late 20-teens. And I love her mitten patterns, her colorwork mitten patterns. They're just stunning. So this year I decided to do her mystery knit along, which it's a Christmas mystery knit along. You can't find the pattern on Ravelry, but I follow her on Instagram and on Facebook, and I found out that she was doing that. So you'll maybe have already seen some of that in a few clips before this welcome video. I'm also making the Gnome mystery knit along, the Imagine Landscapes Gnome. I'm so excited. Last year I knit the grandma, and grandma needs a grandpa, and this year it's grandpa, and he has a set of skis that I ordered from Marinated Yarns. I'm so excited to use those skis. You'll also follow along with Percy. Hi, buddy. You just want to come say hi to everybody, huh? Yes. So I'm excited to share that with you. I'm also doing my annual box of socks for the family and friends, where I don't have a sock machine, but I have a double bed knitting machine that allows you to make tubes. So that's how I knit my socks. I make tubes and then I break them down into socks, the appropriate size of what my family's feet are. So I will be working on those. So you'll see me working on a little bit on my knitting machine and a little bit knitting toes and cuffs and heels. I also have a hat on the go. That's kind of for my social knitting. And I'm just excited to bring you along. We spent, this was a couple days ago, my mom and I and my son Alex and his girlfriend went to Meijer Gardens. I'm coming from the great state of Michigan. I live outside of Grand Rapids, and Meijer Gardens is a beautiful, beautiful sculpture park here in the area. And during the winter, well, really during December, they have this light show called Enlighten, and I'm going to share a few clips of that experience in my closing for today. But look for a, 5 to 15 minute Advent calendar style video from me, and I am so happy that you're coming along for the ride.